My freaking refrigerator wants to come on right now. For any of you aspiring or growing mukbang accounts, just know you're gonna want to turn your AC off before you get to filming, and you're gonna want to make sure that refrigerator is not making tons of noise, because that will ruin the sound quality. Even if you don't have a freaking good microphone yet, you don't want the fridge going and you don't want the AC going. So freeze or burn up while you're making your video, but you don't want the sound quality messed up. Oh, and I have a Blue Yeti mic, honorable mention. DJI mics are really good too. Those are the only 2 mics I can give you any suggestions on, okay? Man, that is so annoying. You can hear, I know you heard the sound. Like I heard, anyways, I know you heard that. Papa Talks signing out.